Okay, today we're going to look at a situation where I have an opponent who has a good hard kick, a good hard tie kick. And whenever people throw hard kicks, they tend to throw them wide so they can really sweep the leg across and really dig in with the shin. This has benefits and drawbacks. A person who kicks really hard will tend to telegraph the kick a little bit, especially if they're not setting it up with their punches. So when you see that coming, there's a nice opportunity to cut in on the supporting leg, and you can actually either damage the leg or even put him on the floor. So you really have to read the guy's hips though to see it coming. All right, it's really important. So when I'm here with Aaron, he starts to throw his kick, and I can see he's setting up a left leg kick. So I'm stepping to my left, and I'm aiming for the inside, above the knee, inside of the thigh right there, boom, on the leg, and that will tend to sort of upset that support and drop him. You just got to kick through with it. Even though it's a tighter angle, a little bit tighter, you really have to follow through with it so that the weight of your hips is committed into that kick so that it does buckle that leg. Sometimes it'll lift the foot off or slide it off the floor to where he'll fall. Other times it just damages the leg. It's a nice way to counter kick the guy. So in here, he goes to a kick, boom, and I kick that leg, and I can follow up. Okay? So again, he goes to throw the kick. That's it. Go here. Just step across. Think of it this way too. He's throwing a kick. If you're standing front and center, that's the sweet spot for his kick to have the most damage. So I'm also just going to step away from it anyway, boom, to minimize the damage from that kick. And in so doing, I can also attack that supporting leg.